let's move into another really quick one here, which I'm going to show you is probably one of my favorites because, every once in a while, we'll all have that ability, whether we're working on a payables transaction or we're working on a PO. And what happens is, of course, is you started that PO for your favorite vendor, and you find out the vendor is not able to get you the goods, right? And so you've got all that work done. You've assigned it to jobs, you've assigned it to service calls, and the vendor can't deliver. Now, we all know that we can copy, and copy works great, but I'm going to tell you that sometimes it's like, oh, I don't want to reuse another PO number. I have this one really the way I want it with all my comments, all my information. I want to be able just to change it to my secondary vendor. So if you notice up here on my additional, now you're going to see that I have the ability to change that vendor ID right from here. I will tell you that this is working on items that could be fully, the PO could be in a new status or a released status, meaning you've printed it, right? But if it's in a received or anything further, it's not going to work, because once I start receiving the goods, I need to make sure that I've got the right vendor, right? So here I'm on my PO, and I'm going to go ahead and just pick a new vendor, and I'm going to go ahead and commit that change and commit again. And now if you notice, I easily was able to change that vendor on that PO. Nice and simple ways to work within the system without having to do a lot of rework, a lot of copy, make things work. Same time, that works same way for payables. If you started a whole payables, some of you are using the payables window to add your jobs and service call. So again, there, we want to make sure that as we're doing things, that we also get the ability to change. And I'm just going to add in one really quick here for you. And again, notice at the top, here is my change vendor ID right there. Click on my change vendor ID, and away we go. And I'll switch that one as well, commit that change. And now if you notice here, I'm changing again. So nice and easy ways to work with the system. And again, that one's going to work on what they would call work transactions. Whether they're saved or not doesn't matter. It's whether they've been posted. Okay, so that's our PMVendorChange. Let us know if there's other tools that you have in mind that you think would be great for all Key to Act customers. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.